If you're ready to start making money with AI and ChatGPT, you're in the right place. Michael here, and in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step of how you can get started making money with AI. And if you don't believe me, I'm not only going to give you access to my free community with AI tools, proof showing you exactly what I'm doing, but inside the community, you're going to get access to the digital playbook, which has a list of 130 plus AI tools that you're able to get paid to promote. You'll get the VIP checklist, which shows you tutorials and videos of the step-by-step process of what I'm using in my own company. You'll get different short form prompts that I use for when I create my short form content on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. You'll also get a list of about 700 short form content videos that are just generated by AI that you're able to add captions to. You're also going to get different make.com blueprints that I use to script YouTube, my AI content generation, and then a bunch of other really cool free stuff for if you're wanting to reach out to different local businesses, and then Fiverr gigs that I've used to outsource some of my content. All of this stuff that I'm showing you in today's video is pretty copy and paste, so you don't have to worry about being an expert. You don't have to have a fancy computer, and you don't really have to have any money to get started. All you have to do is use this checklist right here that I'm going to be giving you free today that's going to help you get started step by step with everything that you need to start earning money. Now, if you want all of this stuff, by the way, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, drop a comment that lets me know you're taking action, and let's go ahead and dive into the video. To get access to this, just go to digitalplaybook.com right here, put in your first name and email, and it will direct you to the community page right here to where you'll just join. It's completely free, and that'll allow you to have access to not only the digital playbook, but questions, a chat area, and give you access to be able to DM me, because that is where I spend most of my time. Now, as you can see, this is literally a step-by-step checklist where I literally take you through how to set up and how to do everything. Now, the first tool that you're going to need is going to be Go High Level. The reason why is it's because it is an all-in-one marketing tool that allows you to not only send out emails and create websites and have a social media planner, but it is the foundation of your business. How would you build a house without any tools? That's just not something that you would expect. So go ahead and get this. It is a 14-day free trial, but I do recommend that if you're wanting to make money online and you're wanting to have business, you are going to need Go High Level or a CRM. But I like this one because if you're just starting out, you're going to be able to import my funnels and my frameworks, which I'm going to be touching on here shortly. So once you sign up for this 14-day free trial, you're going to get taken to a screen that looks like this, and this is going to be your sub account. The three areas that I'm going to be covering today are going to be marketing, automations, and sites. Sites is where we're going to build our funnel. Automations, that's where the email automations and sequences are. And then marketing, that is how we're going to be scheduling out our content for days, weeks in advance. So once we have this, got that set up, we are going to go back to the checklist and then go down to the second area, which is going to be snapshot. So just click this. And if you're not already logged in, it's going to make you log in. But all you have to do is hit import. And I'm not going to do this because I already have an account. But it would import all of my different assets into your account. So if you see right here, you would have access to all of these and automations. You will have all of my automations, and you'll have other things like my custom values. But the main things are going to be my automations and then my sites. So you don't have to spend time building those things out. Now, the next thing would be to purchase a domain, because you're going to need to be able to host your funnel. As you can see, my domain is Digital Playbook, but Go High Level does allow you to buy domains. But I would suggest go to GoDaddy or Squarespace, because I've been using those for the past couple of years and I've had no problems. After you do that, you're going to want to create a Gmail, which if you're watching this on YouTube, I assume you already have, Instagram and Facebook page. Even if you're brand new and you're creating these from scratch, you're going to want to have these, because this is where we're going to be posting our short form content to get people onto our email list so we can promote our affiliate links. Now, after we have that comes the next step, which is going to be creating your short form content. And this is going to be with an account or a software that I use, which is called Blotato. Now, what Blotato allows you to do is it allows you to create viral posts and create faceless videos. You can see right here, you can see all the testimonials. Now, I'm not going to cover this in depth because I have multiple videos on my channel. So just go to those videos and I'll link them in the descriptions. But just briefly showing you what this would look like is you're obviously able to create written posts like LinkedIn, Twitter posts, but the video section is where I spend most of my time. My process is I'll go into the digital playbook, go to one of my prompts down here, and I would just copy one of these and I would paste it in here as the script. And then I choose different themes every time. The voice from 11 Labs is already integrated and it already allows you to integrate your captions. But let's say you want to promote a different tool. The good thing is you don't have to go to ChatGPT to type stuff out or to come up with a script. You're able to do that all from within Blotato, and you're able to even go up to about 2 minutes, which is really beneficial. But I'm not going to cover that more. So once you have imported everything, I want to go to the sites, because this is where you're going to be able to get access to my different funnels, and you actually get access to this one right here, which is the digital playbook funnel. And you would just change it up a little bit, but keep the same framework and infrastructure as you're seeing right here. So maybe you don't want to have a checklist, or maybe you have a different funnel. Just change this up, but make it really simple like this, because people are going to be coming onto this page and they're going to be able to get whatever offer or lead magnet that you have. This has worked for me. Keep it simple. Just copy it. What works, don't change it. So we have the funnel built out. You got your domain. Now the next thing would be to work on the email automations. So I'm going to go back here. Let's go to automations. So there's a bunch of automations in here. The email automations, you'll have like different email warmups, but I want to take you to this one, which is called the new email opt-in. And why I recommend you guys using this one is because there's already about 60 emails in here. Now, they are geared towards promoting high level, but all you got to do is just go into ChatGPT and tell it to rewrite the email for whichever tool that you want to promote. And if we go back over to the checklist real quick, you'll see that there's a bunch of different tools right here that you're able to promote. These are the essential tools that I would recommend you guys getting, but these are the different top picks of the ones that you're able to promote. We got Traffic ID, which is a really cool tool. So basically, if someone lands on your opt-in page and they don't enter in their email, there's about a 30 to 40% chance that you're still able to collect that information just from having that code on your website. So this is a really cool tool that you could promote to local businesses or marketing agencies in general, that they can start putting this into their offer. I've done that a couple times and that works really well. And then we have Descript, which is what I use for my editing of my videos, 11 Labs, a bunch of other really cool tools that I'm not going to go in. But even though you see right here that I have these for promoting high level, you do not need to promote high level. You can do whatever tool that you want to start creating content on. Now, a lot of the times these tools have affiliate programs and they're just located at the very bottom in the footer of the software's website. So it should have something like affiliate program, become an affiliate. Now you're able to become an affiliate of Blotato, but as you can see right here, it's at the very top in the header. Now, if you can't find a place for it to become an affiliate, they obviously aren't allowing affiliates, because if they want you to become an affiliate, they would make it known on their website, because that is free marketing for them of having someone promote their product for only about a 30 to maybe 40% commission. So if you can't find it, then unfortunately you will have to start promoting a different tool, but that is very high unlikely. And all these tools on this checklist, they do have an affiliate, so that should not be a problem. So you have your tool, you have your website, you have your affiliate code that you're able to promote. Now it's time for the content. So there's a couple ways that you can start creating content. One I covered with Blotato, but another way would be to creating an AI clone of yourself. So there's a tool that I use called Replicate. Now this is programmed with pictures of my face, and every time this trigger word Mike is imported, it's going to create an image with my face based around this prompt. And as you can see, it's running and it's going to generate a picture in probably about 10 seconds. And that is a very bad picture, but you get you guys get the point. So what would happen is I would take those pictures and I would put them together, and I would make, so this is just one of my Instagram accounts. You can see right here is what I created. This is like an example of a video.
Sites you're not supposed to know. Digitalplaybook.com, a full free checklist that shows you how to earn money by cloning yourself on social.
So notice how all these images were created with Replicate. Then I just imported all of that into CapCut, which is like a video software tool, added some captions, and then uploaded it to here. But if you're brand new, start with Blotato because it's more time efficient and it's going to allow you to start getting traffic and warming up your Instagram accounts. And if you do want to go with the Replicate, setting up your avatar, I do show you how to do that here. I use OBS sometimes, but I also use Descript for all my editing and all my long form content creation. But between this digital playbook and having access to me, which inside this group, you should be able to start not only building a business, but start making sales. So one thing that my mentor taught me that I want to just leave this video with is ACEs. That is an acronym that once I learned this, it kind of changed how I looked at everything. And that stands for attention, conversation, educate, and then sales. So just pretty much if you're not making money, it's because you have no attention. You have no eyeballs on whichever part that you're wanting to sell. That's why you see all these celebrities have different brands and start e-commerce or just start products in general, is because they've done something to get attention. Now they can sell something because they have the eyeballs. But let's take it in our case. We're brand new. You're going to start posting content to get attention. You're going to be getting attention, but you're also going to be promoting something. So for me, I'm promoting the digital playbook and I'm giving away the checklist. That is what is allowing me to get their email. And that is where I'm starting a conversation in their email inbox, because email is more one-to-one than all the noise in social media. I'm educating them on how to make money, and then eventually I'm making a sale on the different products that I'm promoting. So by taking this framework and infrastructure, you are going to be able to not only start making money online, but build an email list, yes, but build a business, because an email list is something that cannot be taken away from you. An Instagram profile could go down, your YouTube could get shut down, but those emails you will have for life. So taking that knowledge and everything I've showed you guys, go ahead and hop into the community and start taking action. And that is going to be it for this one, AI Pros. I will see you in the next video.